Juice Products New Zealand is an independent juice concentrate manufacturer based in Timaru on the fertile plains of New Zealand's South Island. For carrot juice production, the whole process is locally based and managed from seed to concentrate. The first step in the process is to assess potential planting sites for suitability. The viable candidate sites are cultivated and, if necessary, fertilised prior to planting. Location and soil analysis determine the variety of carrots grown in each instance, with a range of varietals available to suit all kinds of growing conditions. Modern cultivation and planting techniques are very sophisticated, employing high-accuracy satellite technologies to guide the machinery. These systems are capable of centimetre accuracy over an entire field, which ensures good optimisation of land and energy. This accuracy is invaluable for effective management and harvesting, returning marked efficiencies in materials, time and energy used. A pre-emergent spray program and irrigation is implemented to help the seedlings in these most vulnerable stages of growth. As the seedlings strike out, development is carefully monitored while they are most at risk from pests. A management program to keep the plants free of insects, weeds and fungus is an ongoing task right up to harvest time. Close to harvest time, sample roots are taken for quality analysis. At the same time, residual chemical analysis is monitored to make sure it is at the lowest possible level. When these results are satisfactory, harvesting can begin. The carrots are first crowned to remove the top leafy section, so the roots can be extracted mechanically. At this time, they go through the first inspection and sorting, then onto separate facilities for soil removal, washing, sorting and another visual inspection. The carrots are then weighed and taken to the factory for processing into juice. Here the carrots are washed again and mechanically peeled before final inspection and trimming. The juicing process starts with a high-powered macerator, which reduces the root to a fine pulp. This is then passed through steam injectors, where high-pressure steam is introduced to break down the cell structure and help release the juice from within the pulp. Final extraction takes place in one of two high-speed centrifuges, which spin the pulp to remove the juice. With the juice and pulp separated, what remains is a pure, hot carrot juice. Before the juice can be packaged, it undergoes a further reduction process to become a concentrate. The excess water is removed in fractional reduction columns that concentrate the juice in several stages. When this is complete, the juice is pasteurized, ready for packaging. Throughout the process, the juice undergoes several stages of testing to ensure it meets the standards required of the finest juice concentrate available. With testing complete, the juice is released to be filled into drums and transferred to cold storage, ready for transport to local producers or export to overseas customers. Packaging is not the end of the quality control process. Every single drum of product is individually checked, tallied and traced from filling to final delivery to the customer. This ensures the most complete traceability and transparency of process from seed to supply possible. The drums are transferred to a cold storage facility close to the factory, where they are cooled to below -20 degrees Celsius to ensure product stability during transport. Once an order is received, the consignment is collected from cold storage, tallied, and each drum is checked and recorded according to stringent quality control procedures. Once verified, the load is transferred to a freezer container, one drum at a time, subject to constant monitoring and recording. Once loading is complete, the container is closed and sealed, ready to start the next leg of the journey. The juice in the container will then be transported by road, rail or sea to customers here in New Zealand and around the world.